how to email a WhatsApp chat. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp and go to the chat you want to email. Tap the three dots at the top of your screen. Tap More. Now choose to export the chat. Here it will ask you to include medias or without media option. Tap on the one you like. After selecting, choose Email for the share option. Your chat will be attached as a text.file. Here, enter the recipient's email address and tap to send. It is a great way to save important chats or share conversation outside WhatsApp. And that's how you email WhatsApp chat easily. Found this tutorial helpful? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.